If ChatGPT is showing an unusual activity error, don't worry. This is usually a temporary security issue, and in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to get ChatGPT working again, starting with the most common cause and moving through the quickest fixes. If this guide helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first thing to do is turn off any VPN or proxy you might be using. ChatGPT can sometimes detect VPN traffic as unusual, especially if your IP address keeps changing or if the connection looks suspicious. So if you have a VPN app open, disconnect it completely. If you're using a proxy in your browser or device settings, disable that too. After turning it off, refresh ChatGPT and try signing in again. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix the problem. If the error is still there, the next step is to change your network. This is one of the fastest ways to get a new IP address and remove a connection issue that may be triggering the block. You can switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data if you're on a phone, or if you're on a computer, try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network. You can also restart your router, which often gives you a fresh network connection when it comes back online. After switching networks, reload ChatGPT and check whether the error is gone. A new IP address fixes a lot of these cases, especially if the system temporarily flagged your connection. If that still does not work, the next fix is to clear your browser data. Over time, your browser can store old cache files and cookies that interfere with ChatGPT loading correctly. Go into your browser settings, find the Privacy or History section, and clear the cache and cookies. Make sure to restart your browser after clearing everything so it opens with a clean session. Then go back to ChatGPT and try again. This step is especially useful if the error keeps appearing even after changing networks. Now, if you have tried all of that and ChatGPT still shows the unusual activity message, the last thing to do is wait and try again later. Sometimes this is just a temporary security block, and the system needs a little time to reset on its own. Waiting 10 to 30 minutes is usually enough in most situations. During that time, avoid refreshing over and over, because repeated attempts can sometimes make the block last longer. Once the wait is over, open ChatGPT again and try signing in normally. So, to quickly recap, first, turn off VPN or proxy. Second, change your network or restart your router. Third, clear your browser cache and cookies. And fourth, wait a little while and try again. These simple steps solve the unusual activity error for most users without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.